why I think the Magic Dust might have missed a few contestants.
Cash dash money, cash dash high. Armani Gucci Louis looking so fine. Henny Sensimania, Jamaica Sensimania, don't you know it? Yeah, I said cash dash money, cash dash high.
You done?
Right, that was very good.
Oh,
no, that's
over too soon.
No, please, we don't have the verse. You don't have a verse.
Oh, one
That's
more
just the
verse,
chorus.
please.
What's the verse? Come.
Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be.
Yeah, the problem is that the really interesting thing here is how you're dressed, your style, your vibe. You have a kind of a little sort of funky style, but boy, the voice is just not cutting it.
Good afternoon, Anthony.
Hello, hello, how you doing?
You make my day all the while.
Oh, thank you.
I admire on the TV, and not people say them don't like you, but me love you. People turn me down, I love you.
I think you're about to make my day right now, too.
So, Anne-Marie, do you have an artist name?
Aki.com.
Aki.com.
I'm not a kind of singer, but I love the DJ. So.
You have an original song, don't you?
Yeah, I have an original song.
Sing that one first.
Okay. Well, this name the Aki.com. www when me Aki crack done. Me look me cherry lime and me look me jute plum. More time go have a passion cause dream building young. So what's up breadfruit cause something not run. I think I love them and them green. Him love them when them turn. Every yard in a farm, you know how we me turn. Is either yes or no one me wheel and turn. Cause me line stick lock from the top to the ground and every cribbit corner me line stick turn. One day me make a walk up on me Aki.com. Run a tabala yard, you know how we me turn. Say me I go look Aki, but me never get none. Walk up on a apple tree, water me I run. Me say wait a little bit, this is a fruitful ground. Me say lime so what's up breadfruit and pull up. Yeah, really. And tell them big up yourself about.
Well, that had a Professor Nuts, Lieutenant Stitchy kind of vibe.
Thank you, Mama. We're glad you come out.
Yeah, man.
What a clapper! Oh, gosh.
Oh, man, can't rise. My eyes, them a glitter like can't light. Not even grocery, me can't buy. Me throw the hook and the fish, them nah buy. But the Lord still let the fire eye. I protect those who ma try fall eye. My life crash like the hard drive. And if you can't send me a wishing starlight, just send me an angel. Please send me an angel. Yeah, yeah. A faithful angel. Just send me an angel. Please send me an angel. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. Mr. Jarvis. So you're very passionate. Oh, sir, what are you doing with the mic, sir? Okay, just hold it regular. Yeah, okay, very good. So, you're very passionate about your message, and all of us can identify with wanting God to send us an angel, right? I just don't think that this offering is for rising stars.
Them a boss, them hungry. Mama run the corner. I come with the scandal and this amount and favorite.
Into my heart, and your body close to mine. Let me touch you in my life. I can make you feel alright. And maybe through the years, even when we're old and gray, I will love you more each day. 'Cause you will always be the lady in my life. Whoa.
Boy, Roderick, I'm not sure TV land is ready for you.
No, they are ready for it.
They might be dazzled by him. I don't know. They might be blown away by the